Welcome to the Blue Parrot, where luxury meets vibrant energy in the heart of Fort Lauderdale. For those ready to experience this entertainment oasis, simply scan the QR code on your screen or visit the description below to secure your reservation. From the moment you arrive, the Blue Parrot envelopes you in a world of refined pleasure and effortless elegance. Step into the embrace of beautifully landscaped gardens, a tranquil sanctuary where lush greenery and bursts of vibrant blooms create a serene retreat. Here, mornings bloom with quiet moments, perhaps a sunlit yoga session or a leisurely stroll beneath swaying palms. As dusk falls, the gardens transform into a lively social canvas, alive with the rhythmic pulse of live music and the soft clink of handcrafted cocktails under a starlit sky. Just beyond lies the shimmering outdoor pool, a shimmering jewel set amidst tropical splendor. Whether you're reclining on plush loungers, indulging in a refreshing swim, or joining a spirited game of water volleyball, every moment here is infused with leisure and delight. At the Blue Parrot, every detail is designed to elevate your escape, a seamless fusion of relaxation and recreation, where memories are made beneath the Florida sun. Ready to claim your slice of paradise? Don't forget to scan the QR code or check the description to book your stay. Your extraordinary retreat awaits.